All right, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make a stoplight. So let's go ahead and get a cube out and size it a little bit. And I forgot to turn this on. There we go. Now you all can see what I'm doing. Size Y. Yeah, it's about the size. Okay. Now I need to bring that up. And now need a cylinder. We're gonna size that on the Shift Z axis. Bring that over there, grab it and bring it up. Maybe down a little bit. Z. All right. Now duplicate. Grab Y. Rotate on the Z. Bring it up. Don't need it that big. All right. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit more circular. Size it down a little bit. And we'll bring this up a little bit. Okay. Like, no, not what I wanted. Another cylinder. Rotate it on the Y axis. Size it down. Bring it out. A little bit more. There we go. Stop doing that. Good. All right. So now we need to. Ah, crap. Let's do the first one and then we'll do the other one. What? Oh, because I'm not holding shift. That's why. All right, grab. Rotate. Let's bring that back a little bit. All right. Now we need to take that one, apply. And that's good to go. So now we can shift and duplicate. And duplicate. And then let's add a bevel onto that. Let's bring that out a little bit. Again, I'm gonna have to delete these, but whatever. That's fine. All right. Really. There we go. It's a little bit better. Nope, that looks terrible. Okay. So yeah, that's a signal. Now we gotta color it. So basically make, wait, no. Black, black. And black. This is green. Okay. We'll make that green too. Actually, we'll do this gray. There we go. Okay, now these with red. Yellow. right. So there is our traffic light. All right. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.